Hello! This is TV Reviewer 98 Plays, and today I'm doing a 1.2 million coin pack opening. Yes, let's hope we get man of the match swap note Inform Suarez, and first pack! First pack! Woohoo! Yes! Thank you for selling. I've sold my players. I got Team of the Year David Luiz. I had Team of the Man of the Match Thiago Silva. And now I have a meal. Oh my god. Is that really what you're going to give me? Salvio! Oh my god. Please, just give me someone. Okay? Please, please. Oh my god, that's even worse. Okay, the first two packs were complete utter nightmares. Last time I did this, in the first 3 packs, I got 2 informs. No. That was just a joke because I thought I sold him for 6k and he's not even worth it. Quick sell. Okay. Okay. This is my first 1 mil pack opening. And I'm really excited to get these shown to you guys. So this is like 40 EA. Oh, these servers. A high volume of server traffic. New excuse? Is that the only reason you updated the game? And by the way, no price ranges on iOS. So if you want cheap and reliable iOS coins, then I'll have a link to IGSKY, MMOGA, and XTMMO. They're really cheap and reliable, and use the discount code TV Reviewer Plays to get a 0% off. I don't have a discount code yet. Okay, I actually got my pack. Sick. One Magi! Yes! Yes! The plaque lock is going up! Woo! Di Maria play. That's the only good player, and thank you very much. I actually got a player that's decent, not well yelling about, but he's decent. Yes, an 85 rated card. That's my best player. All this 1 million coin pack opening. Okay, I got Borja Valero in my normal pack, and I got Ibra in my FootWiz pack. So I'm going to be comparing FIFA packs to FootWiz packs. And I've just got in my second pack 53k. Let's hope this is a little better than that. Like a bunch. Because that was one of the worst packs you can get on FootWiz. It takes as long as the time to load on FIFA than to load on... And I finally, it's about time, Benassia. And I got PSG badges because I totally didn't used to have it in my club. By the way, okay, it's almost down to 1.1 mil. So pretty much, I've done 100k worth of packs and I've got one. Inform! Yes! Who else? Anyone else? I don't even care. He's the first inform of the pack opening. I'm discarding him because I bet he's not worth a bit. He's not worth a thing. He's an inform, I don't care. Okay? And I just got no one in that pack. I got Podolski, but he's worth no one. Inform Podolski. Oh. 25k. But no, his minimum is... Man of the match, let's see how much. Oh! Ah! Yes! My first 86!
15-minute,
No. Until...
15-minute warning for either homework or exercise.
No, 30-minute warning, please. 30-minute warning.
No, because then I'll give you another break to do this, and then we'll go do
okay.
exercise. So would you want to exercise or homework first?
Homework.
So homework, then you'll get another little break, and then you'll have exercise.
Okay, so I might have to do this in 2 parts. I swear I will not waste any of the coins on stuff. His man of the match absolutely god or. Okay. Yes! 2 informs in a row. 2 informs in like 3 packs. Yes! 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 He's actually got a sick card. Oh, my inform. I just got an inform.
What's an informer?
Like a black card. Yes! 85 shot! Oh my god! He is sick!
S-I-C-K. Sick.
Come on! A few moments later. Another free pack! I might just have to do another pack opening with all the free packs done again in this pack opening. I might just open a 15k. Look how many packs I got. 15k coins! Let's hope it's a little better than the normal packs. Than the 25k packs. Come on, actually load, yay. So now, and I've got absolutely no one. Well, no one worth talking about. And discard. So now we're on the million coin mark now. By the way, Nicole, all my players just sold, so I've got $1 million now on my account.
1 million coins?
Yeah.
That is extremely impressive.
Okay, to spin the chair pack. Oh my god, what happened to my computer? I literally just spin my camera, my computer around. Oh my god. And I got absolutely no one in the turn. Next time, let's not do that sort of pack. Spin the chair. Yay. Okay, I'm spinning. Actually, can you tell me what the stats are of this player? Like what rated he is and stuff? And tell me what country he's from, and I have to try and guess it?
75?
No, the best rated player, the highest.
From all of them? Oh.
Yeah.
We've got an 83 here.
Ooh, okay. 83.
He's from... I don't know what flag that is. That's France?
Let me just see the...
It's red, white, and blue.
No, let me... I'm looking up the French flag now. Is that it?
Yep. Blue, white, that's him.
Is he a black card?
No, it's gold.
Gold.
French, 83. Do you want to tell you his position?
Yes.
C, D, N.
Okay. I'm allowed to look on Footwiz because barely anyone knows. CDM?
Yeah.
Toulon.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh.
He looks really old.
Let me
for a
see.
soccer player.
Yeah, got it right. Yeah, he does look like old.
He's kind of old for his age, right?
Who was the 75? Oh, him. Okay, so... Okay, again. Try it again.
Okay. Yeah.
What was the player that flashed up?
That flashed up. Oh, I don't know that flag. It's from an African country. Do you want to see the flag?
Yeah. It's GIF. I know. I saw the player. Let me just see if there's anything better. Is that okay? I'm stopping with the Guess Who because they've given me horrible packs. Oh. I got a left wing from Portugal. Yeah. Who do you think it is?
Portugal. I have no idea who it is.
Rafa. Rafa. If you knew like anything about FIFA, you'd say it was Ronaldo.
Right, oh, because he's so popular.
And he's Portuguese.
Yeah, it's from
and he's a left wing. So I tried to troll her, but it didn't work. She didn't know, so didn't really. What? Another 79. I bet in your first pack, tell me who you get in your 25k packs. Down. Also, I just want to tell you that I've subscribed to a channel on YouTube. Their name is Dummies. It's absolutely amazing, and I really reckon you should subscribe to them. Felipe Luis is not good, even though Spencer FC thinks he is. But, so, really, they're a really good channel. I'll put a link in the description. And I'll also put a link to Dennis's channel, because I just really like Dennis's channel, and it's, oh my god. I got another player from Portugal. Who do you think it is?
Ronaldo.
Not a chance.
Who is it?
It was João Pereira. There's no way. I'd be screaming and jumping if I got Ronaldo in a pack.
Who's that?
He's a player on FIFA. I wonder if I saw my man of the match, Thiago Silva. Yeah, pack luck's looking pretty grim. So, come on. Oh my god, I got a Real Madrid I got a player from Real Madrid in Portugal.
Ronaldo?
No.
Yeah.
So close. Ronaldo is from Real Madrid and he's in Portugal, but I got Pepe.
Pepe.
Yeah.
Portuguese name.
Hun?
It's such a European name.
I know. At least it's not like those lightning round packs, because I'm not used to them. I'm almost down to 800k. So, yep, your servers. Please give a standing ovation for EA servers. You don't even deserve a sarcastic standing ovation, EA. Imagine if I just got Bale now, like, seriously. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. I got another free pack for opening a gold pack. Oh my god, like, seriously.
OMG.
Yes, 85 rated player!
So you have 8 minutes left until
83, 84.
homework time, okay?
Is there an 82? Nope. I already have him in my team, so I'll just... Yay! Woohoo! Another 85 rated player. Now, I'm actually getting decent, mind you. Well, I thought we were getting decent pack luck until I got 78 as my best player. Oh my god. Like, seriously, EA, I want to ask you something. Will you give me a Ronaldo, or a Messi, or anyone? Like, I've got 2 informs, but, like, there was bad informs. Oh my god. Another 82. Kill me now. Like, seriously, kill me now.
Why?
I'm kidding. Okay. I'm not buying FIFA points. I'm not buying FIFA points.
Why not?
Because EA don't want me. Oh my god.
What?
Hey, just get out of my life.
You have a lot of bad things to say about FIFA.
Yeah, when I get a good player, I'll just say, I love you, EA, I love you, I love you, oh my god. A green! I got my first green!
Awesome.
Yes! He's worth like 20k, I don't care, I'm discarding him. Actually, no. He might be worth a bit because he's a green. Yes! I actually got someone. I actually got a special card since the inform. Yes! Okay. I'll check how much they're worth after this pack opening. Ah, yes, I got a green. I actually got a green. Come on. And he formed. The packlet just come so quick. He's worth nothing, so I'll discard him. Oh my god. This is so good. Now the pack looks so good. Come on, give me Ronaldo now. Oh, upgraded to Hale. This just keeps on getting better and better. Yes. Yes. Woohoo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Huh?
You seem very excited.
Because I'm actually getting good players. Money, 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 money. Oh, by the way, happy St. Patrick's Day.
Today?
Yeah, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Today?
Yeah.
It was on the weekend.
I don't know really, but happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Anyway, I just remembered because I got a green is Irish. I don't care. I got my first ever green. So I don't even care about the greens, but like, I'm just so glad I actually got a green. Like,
I'm happy for you too.
Like, a green is so rare. Like. Really, I just said. I know upgraded to hair cells for 10k. Oh! I got a Manchester United player from Argentina. Who do you think it is? Rojo, of course. It's never going to be Di Maria.
Okay, you have a 3-minute warning.
Oh, no. Okay. I've got 3 minutes left in my pack opening. I need to rush. Okay. The pack. Actually, oh my god.
What?
A4, so I swear Kadira's upgraded. Come on, I'm so close to getting halfway done with this pack opening. Can I just go until 500k?
We need to put time on. You can come back after.
No, 560k and it's 25k. So can I quickly go to?
That's gonna take so long.
No, it's like quickly. I'm almost done. I swear.
So you have 5 minutes, and I extended it to 2 minutes more.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to open as many packs as I can in 5 minutes because really, it's just these 25k packs. Like, these are really good. Okay, they're not that good, but like they're not horrible. I would say. No, Eto. Eto used to be 85 on FIFA 14. Okay, why didn't I get FIFA 14 version of him? I got a BPL player in Belgium. No, I didn't. Oh my god. Well, I swear I thought that was Messi. I don't know why. I thought that was Messi. I got a free pack.
Cool. How did you get a free one?
No.
What's wrong?
EA aren't giving me good packs. Yay. Another green! I got another green!
Another what?
Another green!
What's green?
The Irish players. Ha! Another green and he's
Why is that so good?
because it's a special card. Oh, and Javinho the Pace Demon. We're happy, freaking feels lonely at the same time. If I get Ronaldo this next pack, I'll go naked. Nope, not Ronaldo, so I don't have to get naked. be happy I'm not getting Ronaldo in a pack. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got someone good! Except I didn't. I got Marquisio. I'll check all the grains prices after. Wow. Come on. Irish. Get away from me. I got Huntelaar as well. The two troll 84s in the same bag. We have to freak bills know the appetite. No. I don't even want to know that pack. Come on. EA, you give me good pack. EA, you give me good pack.
Okay, come on, you've only got like a minute left.
Okay, quick. I don't care. I'll just discard. Quick. A minute left in this pack opening. Thank you guys for watching. It's a minute left in this pack opening. Okay, if I get Ronaldo, I'll just be jumping and I don't care about the time limit. Come with it. Now it's not the time, EA. We're happy freaking feels and all the. Yes, I opened my pack. Skip. No one. Check. Yep, no one. Come on, quickly. We happy freak built lonely at the same time. Yes. Absolutely no one. It's 89 rated. I'm at 79 rated. I was going like, it was no way. If I got 89, I said no one, and then I'd just be the most spoiled brat in the world. I just got an 89 rated player. Really, Marquisio again? No. Oh, of course I got Demon Tale, not in FIFA 14. I got another player that was sick in FIFA 14 and not good now.
Alright, and now it's time for homework.
Okay, last pack. Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed doing this pack opening, and I'm excited that I got a couple of greens. So, thank you so much for watching. Okay? So, thank you all for watching. I got a couple of greens in there, so yeah. I'm going to check how much the greens are worth and how much the inform is worth and stuff like that. Thank you for watching.